Okay, we have a 2006 Mercedes-Benz C280 4MATIC. This will be my third or fourth Mercedes-Benz video. And everybody knows what 4MATIC means in a Mercedes-Benz model. It's got the sunshade in the back. C280 4MATIC. Power sunroof, chrome door handles, as well as turn signal indicators. It's got the black leather interior, registration sticker on the driver's seat. It's got power everything. Power trunk, Mercedes-Benz certified pre-owned. It was manufactured in Germany, October of 2005, Stuttgart. Wow. It's got the Mercedes-Benz multimedia with a telephone for hands-free calling. This is for the telephone. Climate control, CD player. Got an automatic with manual shift mode, cup holders, and then there's your climate control right there, or not climate control, those are for your heated seats. I think that's for traction control, I don't know. And there's your hazards. And I think that's for your sunshade. If anybody knows about any of these options in any of these Mercedes-Benz models, including this one, let me know, please. I would appreciate it. CD changer, CD magazine. As well as your owner's manual. And the warranty guide. Parking brake, those are for your lights. Outside lights, that is. Probably do this one-handed. There we go. This one's got the V6 engine in it. Very nice. Not that bad. Okay, let me know what everybody thinks in the video. And again, thank you for the 1,000 subscribers on here. So don't forget to subscribe to me on this channel as well as my other one. I hope everybody enjoyed the short review on the 2006 Mercedes-Benz C280. And I'll talk to everyone in the next video. Peace out.